Well, there's that. Okay, Hailey, can you go sit up there? Can you go sit up there, Macey?
Yeah.
Could you go sit up there? That'd be awesome. What if some people were there right now and they were like, "Welcome to IKEA"? I'd be like, "What up?" Alright, so this is the showroom, IKEA Family. Whoa. That's a cool tent, isn't it?
Well, let's see what we can find.
Open doors slowly. Go. You can get lost in here real quick. Grumbling tummies. Push away, man. Push away. Tray there. Tray there.
3 trays.
Nice. Got 3 trays. Is that really good? Oh. Really good. Here's a nice, lovely plant. What is that? Does that feel good on your back? Whoa. TV's over there. How soft is it? Oh no, your knee.
This is what I have in my room.
Oh.
The light fan.
Oh.
Look at this.
Attention active visitors with.
Ooh, that is nice.
Oh, whoa.
Wait, what? What are you gonna do back there?
I think he hangs stuff right here. Why not you just open this real quick?
Me? Oh! Excuse me, ma'am. You? Hey.
Hello?
Hello. Doing good. Nice little kitchen.
Oh man, this is a powder thing.
I like this thing.
Hey, look at this. Check inside. Oh.
Oh.
Today, cooking with Macey. And first up, we're gonna get this bowl, break it, and now you're gonna cut up the bowl.
I need this for my bonsai tree. You know what I'm saying? Oh, look at that.
Look at
Hello.
it. Up and down.
Oh, nice.
I want this.
Somebody trapped the squirrel. I'm gonna let it free. Go free, little squirrel. Go free. Oh no. You're free, little squirrel. Oh, somebody left their trash there too.
Can we get it?
No.
A roard? How about the roard? Can we get this squirrel?
No.
Please, it's part of our
You-
family.
One of these in your room? You do?
Oh, hey guys, what are you doing in there? Did you guys get stuck in there?
Dude, Macey.
What?
Macey. You can't be sleeping in here. We gotta go. Did you get a good nap?
Yeah,
You tired?
only for 1 second.
You tired?
Super.
Ah, it's a lot of walking, isn't it? Ready to be done?
No,
Oh, you still cruising?
I'm still cruising.
Still shopping?
Don't hurry, y'all hurry me.
Oh man. Yay. Macey, what are you reading?
It's a story about two girls, trapped in,
Ikea?
yeah.
Oh. Creepy Connie. Ah! Oh! Alright, so we've been here how long? About an hour. And that's what we have.
Snack bowls.
Man, you
Bowls?
could always use some.
Come on, man. Right there's the llama.
You bought that?
And then here's the dead llamas. Dead llamas. Yep, we sure did.
I remember it.
Well, you tired? Exhausted? Just sleep here. That's what we need right there. That's what we need. Macey is making sure everything is in its rightful spot and she is organizing. She works here now. Fixing them. She works here now at Ikea.
Sir,
Congratulations.
may I help you?
Oh yes, I'd like to purchase these items right here.
Let me. Is this heavy?
A little, you're a little heavy. Whoa.
Hailey! Mom! Oh no.
Bye, Ikea. You okay? Oh no!
I've been trying to hold on to it.
Stop sign. Okay, clear. Just the whole way back, just like this. Y'all hold it right there.
We're probably gonna get pulled over. Seriously?
Push it back, push it back.
Ouch. Okay, hold on. Well, there's that. Well, we had a new table for 20 minutes. Thanks for taking one for the team, girls.
Where did he park?
Where did he park?